Welcome to CAD MAFIA. Today we will learn about some basic concept of SolidWorks assembly design. Let's start. Select New, choose Assembly and click OK. After choosing Assembly, you can see here are many options of assembly features here. Okay, and here you can see browse options where you can browse your existing part and call them for assembly. Okay, and also you can insert your existing component from here by clicking insert component. Let's insert a component, and after clicking insert component, a folder will open, or you can browse it and choose your default prefer folder and select the part you need to import. Okay, select the part and click on open. Now you can drag this part and float it anywhere, and you have to fix you have to click anywhere to fix it. Or if you want to rotate about any axis, then you can here you can see many options X, Y, Z. If suppose you have to rotate about X axis, then click on X, and if you want to rotate about Y axis, then click on Y, and it will rotate about Y axis. And if you want to rotate about Z axis, then click on Z, and it will rotate about Z axis. And then it will then you have to click anywhere to fix it. Let's click here. Okay, by default the first object always be fixed, and you cannot move or drag it or float it. Okay, if you need to drag or float it, then you have to just right click on this part and click on float. Then you can float it or drag it or rotate or move it anywhere, but by default it was fixed. Okay, and here you can see assembly plane, front plane, top plane, right plane, and this is the origin of the assembly. If you have to see this, you first go here and activate view origin, and then you can see the assembly origin and also the part origin. And this is the base. You have insert and just click here, then you can see the part details. This is the part plane, front plane, top plane and right plane, and this is the origin of the part. Okay, and this is the feature details of this part, and you can edit it about any time in assembly design. Okay, if suppose you have to edit this, just right click on this base part and click edit part. But first we have to save this assembly, then we can edit it. Okay, just save and continue. Save it. Okay, now we can edit it. Edit component is activated. Suppose we have to give some chamfer at the corner portions. Just select the 4 corners. Okay, and click OK. Okay, now deactivate edit component. In this way you can edit any part in assembly anytime. Okay, and now the second thing is mates. What is mate? Mate create relations between one and more components. If you have 2 or more components, you can make relations by the help of mates. Just click on mate. Then you can see 3 type of mates here: standard mate, advanced mate and mechanical mate. In standard mate you can see one type of mates: coincidence, parallel, perpendicular, tangent, concentric, log, distance, angle, etc. And in advanced mate you can see here some symmetric, width, path, mate, distance, angle, etc. And in mechanical mates you can see cam, slot, hinge, gear, rack and pinion, screw, universal joint, etc. But first we will learn about standard mate. Let's first, if we need this two origin in coincidence relations, then okay, first we have to make this part float. Okay, then we can move it or rotate it. Okay, then go to mate and click this, select this part origin and assembly origin. It will all automatically take the coincidence relations. Okay, simply click OK. Now you can see our origin, assembly origin and our part origin in the same point and coincidence relations. Now if we have the second part to assemble with this first part, then just simply go to insert component and your folder will automatically open. If not open, just click on browse and then choose your preferred folder and then select your part and click on open. And now just click anywhere. Okay, deactivate view origin. Now if we make relations between this hose and this shaft, just go to mate and click this shaft and this whole inner surface, and it will automatically take concentric relations. Okay, just click OK. Now you can see the hole and this shaft is in concentric relations, and you can only rotate it and drag it up and down portions. Okay, and if we lock these rotations just by clicking here, then we cannot rotate this shaft. We can only drag it up and down. Just deactivate this lock rotations and click OK. Now if we have relations between this face and this base face, it will automatically take parallel relations and click OK. Then you can see this face and this face is in parallel relations. And if we change some relations between this plane and this plane, then just go to mate and edit this parallel relations and just delete this base face and select this face. Then it will automatically is in parallel relations, take parallel relations and click OK. Now it cannot rotate. We can only just drag it up and down portions. Okay. Now if we give some relations between these two faces, if we select coincidence relations, it will the face and this face will lay in same plane. And if we need to give some distance between this two faces, then click on distance and give some distance. This is suppose 15 mm and click OK. this is the distance relations between these two components. Now our shaft is fixed, and now the assembly is fully defined. In this way we can assemble two or more parts. This is the basic. And the next, if we need this shaft into this three hole, then there are two ways we can do this. The first option is copy with mate. Copy with mate. Okay, let's select copy with mate, and first we have to select the component which we need to copy. Just select this shaft. Okay, and select next, and here you can see three relations: concentric, parallel, and distance. We already used in previous hole. Do this shaft, and then we have to first we have to select this hole. First select this inner surface of this hole. This is in concentric relations. Okay, and parallel relations, say this space with this space. Okay, and distance relations with this space, and it will automatically take this shaft with the same mates. In this way you can copy part with the help of copy with mate. Okay, let's delete this shaft. Okay, and they also delete this relation. Okay, and the second way is linear component pattern. Let's go to linear component pattern, and first direction is this edge, and the second direction is this edge, and the distance between two holes, quantity is 2 and 2, and the distance between these two holes is 200 mm, but this is actually 160 mm, and from these holes to these holes distance is 60 mm. Okay, and the component to be pattern, this is. I have to change the directions of directions 1. Okay, now you can see the shaft is copy with this into this three hole. In this way we can copy a part with needed positions by using linear component pattern. Now if we if we need the same base part in the top face of this shaft, then we don't need to insert the component again. We have to just press Ctrl and select this part and drag it to upper side. Okay. Now we can rotate it, just give some relations. These holes and this shaft automatically take in concentric relations. Just click OK. But if we click here OK, these shafts and these holes, we cannot make mates between these. So just click on flip mate alignment. It will take the right holes. Click OK. Now we can rotate it any side drag it up and down. Okay, now here is two options. First, you can select this space and this space and make it parallel relations. So these two base lay in parallel relations, or you can select concentric relations between these poles and this shaft and click OK. Now you can just drag it up and down, and you cannot rotate it. Now if we select this shaft face and this face, now if we select this coincidence relations, click OK, and it will lay in same plane. Or if you need to give some distance between these two faces, just click on this coincidence relations and click on distance and give some distance, suppose 15 mm, and click on flip dimension and see. In this way you can assemble two or more parts. Okay, this is our first lecture in assembly. Please like and subscribe our channel to get more updates.